Hi, today we're gonna do Pao de Queijo, a Brazilian recipe. What do we need for this recipe is 500 grams of cassava flour, half cup of oil and 1 cup of milk, a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 2 cups of grated cheese.
First, you need to boil the milk with salt and oil. Put the mixture in the cassava flour and mix well.
And then put the eggs and mix well.
Now you can put the grated cheese and you can mix with your hands. The mixture is ready. We're gonna let it rest before doing the balls. And don't forget to put a film plastic.